We're going to find a product that involves fraction notation. We'll find 5 times 3 over 10. Now when we multiply using fraction notation, we multiply numerators and we multiply denominators, and we can think of 5 as 5 over 1. So multiplying the numerators, we'd have 5 times 3, and multiplying the denominators, we'd have 1 times 10, or 10. And now that we've formed the product, we would like to simplify it if we can. I see that there's a factor of 5 in the number 10 in the denominator, so I can rewrite this fraction as 5 times 3, just rewriting the numerator, and I'll write 10 as 2 times 5. Now there's a factor of 5 common to the numerator and the denominator, so I can rewrite this as 5 over 5 times 3 over 2. 5 over 5 is equal to 1, so I have 1 times 3 halves, or just 3 halves for the product of those two numbers.